Hello my friends, Leanna here. I've got some new makeup to play with. I'm super excited about it. I got a couple of palettes from Lunar Beauty and I used them to create this look. So if you would like to see how I did that, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, let's get on into it. I'm super excited about the products that I got. I have been eyeballing these products for a year, maybe just a little bit more. And I finally pulled the trigger on them because I got an email that one of them was being discontinued. And so I hate to show you a discontinued product, and it's already gone. I've looked on the website and this product is already gone. So one of the products that I'm excited to try was part of the Ulta 21-day sale, and that is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and it says anti-aging, so that's quite exciting. The next product that I have been waiting to purchase for a long time, well, it was out of stock for a very long time. Then it came back in stock and I just looked at it and looked at it because I didn't want to pay the price, and then finally I had to have it. And that's this Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Blush Palette. For one thing, I'm a moon kind of girl. The moon just does something for me. And look at the packaging. My gosh, that is just so pretty, and it's raised. The moons and the planets are raised on it. And look at those colors. I am so excited to try this. I mean, really, I've been eyeballing this for a year. And then I got two palettes from Lunar Beauty. This Greek Goddess palette is the palette that's been discontinued. And I used to say that I was not really big into packaging, but I'm finding myself getting very excited about packaging. That is just gorgeous. I absolutely love it. That's the back. And look at these colors. Oh, so pretty. I cannot wait to dip into this blue. Look at it. Look at it. So pretty. And it has a nice big mirror on it too. And then the other palette that I got that I have been eyeballing for a year is the Moon Spell palette. And it's so cute because it looks like a little book. I just love it. I love it so much. Just looks like a little book. It's so cute. And there's the back. And then here's the inside of this palette. This is very springy as well. This in the monitor almost looks like a yellow, but it's actually a green. So for today, I will probably use a combination of both because the Greek Goddess has some neutral browns in it that I might use along with the vibrant colors in the other palette. But first, I'm going to try out the Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eye Primer. It is very, very lightly tinted. So while that's drying down, let's play with this blush because I am just dying to dig into it. Now let's see what color. I think I'm going to use Stargaze, and I will probably top it with this color which says Soleil, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush. This is so far my favorite blush brush. Going into Stargaze. It has just a little bit of a scent to it, not much. That's a very pretty color. Normally I leave my blush up high, up here, but I thought I would take it down a little bit just to see what it looks like. So I'm going to go here into Hestia and put that all over my lid to kind of set down the primer, which has not creased at all, by the way. And all of the names in this Greek goddess palette, the shade names, are names of goddesses. Most of them I can pronounce, some of them I cannot. So, and I'm just going to use my Luxie 231 that I normally use in all of my videos. Next, I'm going to go into CeeLo and put that in my crease. They are going on very well and blending very easily. And now I'm going into Persephone, and I'm just going to put that in the outer corner because I can't talk and do all at the same time. And now I'm going here into Aphrodite, and I'm going to use that to deepen up the corner, and I'm going to use my Moda detail brush. These pigments blend really well. I mean, I'm hardly even touching it. I'm just going to gradually build that up. Kind of go about midway in my crease. I want this outer corner to be really dark. That's very pretty. And I know that it looks patchy right there, but that's a spot of texture on my eye. And now I'm going to go here into Iris, and I'm going to use my finger and put that on my lid. That's so pretty. These shadows are very, very buttery. They're going on very well. And so I've had people ask me, and I know this looks really weird because I have to blend it all out, if you can put shimmers on mature eyes. So tell me, can you put shimmers on mature? Oh. Yes, you can put shimmers on mature eyes. So now I'm going to take this fluffy brush. It's clean, and I'm going to use that to blend out these edges. See, it's all in the blending. The blending is so important. And because when I was putting the shimmer on, I got it in the corner, I'm going back into Aphrodite. And just darken that back up and just pat that into the shimmer to blend it so that it's a seamless transition. And so now, using my trusty Morphe M213, I'm going back into Clio and putting that under my lashes, and then into Aphrodite, and I'm just going to lightly fade that into the inner corner, but I want to smoke it out here in the outer corner. And now I'm going to go here into Athena, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner, and I'm going to run that pretty deep into my corner because it's very dark. My inner corners are very dark. And just a little bit here along my lower lash, just to tie it into the other color. Now I think I'm going to try this little Morphe brush and go back into Iris. I know that that's better used with your finger, but I just want it to be a little bit brighter right here in that crease. I just want to pull it up a little bit. You see what I mean? See the difference? And now I'm also going to take Athena right under my brow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Then I'm just going to make sure everything is very well blended. That's very pretty. I like it a lot. What do you think? And now I have done a whole eye look with the palette that has been discontinued. You're welcome. So that is the Greek Goddess palette. And so now, let's see if we can add some color to it. To me, it's perfect just the way it is. I love it. But let's see if we can add a little bit of color to it. Alright, so going into the Moonspell palette, to try to add some color, there's this glitter here and this one here. Which one should I try? I think I'll go into Phobie, which is this one right here, just with my finger, and we'll put that, oh, look at that. We'll put that in the center of my lid and see what kind of payoff we get from it. It's very, very soft. I'm going to take my Morphe M213 and a little bit of setting spray. Get my brush wet. Oh yeah. Look at how pretty that is. I sure hope the camera's picking that up. You see the shift in that? And I do have some fallout on my cheeks, which doesn't bother me. I just get a fluffy brush, brush away what I can and what I can't. Well, just ends up being glitter on my cheeks. I'm gonna put on some mascara and lip, and I'll be right back. So here we have it, friends. This is the final look using the Lunar Beauty Greek Goddess and the Moonspell palettes, along with the Moon Prism blush. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. This is a look that I would definitely wear to work. And I keep saying that in my videos, and then when I get to work, everybody's like, where's all the crazy looks that you keep creating, but you never wear to work? But I'm going to wear this palette to work. I even curled my new hair. What do you think? Not too shabby, huh? I don't know what I was going to say. I feel like I maybe could darken my eyebrows just a little bit. I love how the brow highlight is just really pretty. I'm very, very impressed. So happy that I finally pulled the trigger on these palettes. I'm happy that I got this one since it's been discontinued, and if this has made you fall in love with it, well, you know, maybe you can pick it up for a couple $100 on Poshmark or McCarty or something like that. So I just wanted to show you that, you know, when you look at these palettes, when I look at this, and all of these colors and the glitters and the shimmers, and I think I could never pull that off on my mature eyes. But as you can see, and I have mature, textured eyes, and as you can see, you can pull it off. Buy the palettes, treat yourself, paint your face. Your face is a coloring book, and here's your crayons. So do it, do it, do it. I'm tickled to death. I absolutely love it. So there we go. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me play in the Moonspell book and with the Greek goddess and slather some moon prism all over my face. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. My sweet, sweet son, Christopher, I have found you a goddess. Right here. Medusa. And just like any other goddess, you can't have her. She's all mine. We're not playing with this one on your face. No. This one's all for Mama. I'll share the Moon Prism blush with you. I see the moon, and the moon sees me. Hi, moon. Hi, me. Mama loves you, boo. And so just to explain to those of you who are like, what in the hell is she telling Christopher? When Christopher was a baby, we would go outside and sit on the porch and look at the full moon. My mama taught me that poem when I was a little girl and made me fall in love with the moon, and I passed that along to Christopher. And I had no idea that he even remembered it. And I don't remember where we were a few years ago that the moon was full, and I said, I see the moon and the moon sees me. Hi, moon. And Christopher said, hi, me. And it just absolutely warmed my heart that he remembered me teaching him that poem as a very little boy many, many, many years ago, 'cause he's old. That's right.